Alright, we're going to replace this backup. They no longer need it. It used to run the backup sump when power would go out for 18 hours. 2 large deep cell batteries on a trickle charger. This is a standard sump pit. They're 18 inches in diameter, 24 inches deep. There's 2 sump pumps in here, the backup and the primary. We're going to put in a chambered sump pump basin. We're going to bust the concrete out, and we're going to make that our primary basin. That's going to be the one, and I'll explain as we go through this process why that's going to be the primary pump. The secondary pump is going to go in the existing sump pit. So I'll take you guys through a series on how to do this. This will cut down how much your sump pump runs, and I'll explain all those benefits. The weep tile around this basement, it doesn't have fabric, it's not burrito wrapped, so I literally just stuck my hand in there and did that. Let's see. Can you guys give me a light?
Yeah, that's how that looks.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, we need a longer cord. Thanks, guys.
You need one?
All right, this basement, when the drainage system was put in, this goes through the footer tile, connecting the inside tile to the outside tile. It wasn't burrito wrapped with our fabric. I just stuck my hand in there, and you can see my fingers, and pulled out a big glob of clay. So the whole system around this house has clay that has migrated through the stone into the drainage pipe. I think we need to do something with our building codes to make drainage fabric mandatory. Look at this. And to make cleanouts mandatory, because there's no cleanouts on this drainage system, making it really difficult to maintain. Comes through the footer. Got the inside. You can hear it fill in the chamber. A lot of water pouring in here. A lot of water. Alright, we took the runtime from 30 seconds to 30 minutes. Can you just hear it? Filling up. Got the outside drain tile tied in. That's the footer. You go through the footer. Inside drain tiles tied in. Now instead of every 30 seconds, this works out really nice. And because we plumbed it in seamless, fittingless PVC Schedule 40, it's not like the rigid pipe. The rigid pipe, it literally just resonates. Man, listen how silent that is. It's on. So it'll run longer. That's what it's supposed to do. It's going to run longer. All right. So now that'll go for an extended period of time before it goes on again. But listen how silent that was. I mean, I had to stick the mic down in the sump just so that you guys could see that it was on. Unlike this was the primary before. Now this becomes the primary because we put it in deeper than the original sump. The original sump is now a secondary. So if the day ever comes, say 15 years from now, and that brand new Liberty sump pump finally gives it up, this will start running. That's how this is set up. We're connected. And we use the rubber compression fittings. Just everything that you guys see us do on the outside and more, we bring indoors now. Alright guys, until the next video.